Hello everyone, this is 4x4 Shop with a 2016 BMW M4. Now this is the Android entertainment screen installed, completed. All functions are still maintained of factory vehicle, so factory iDrive will still be functional to select menu and video selections. You have Apple CarPlay support and Android Auto support through the AutoKit app. Once connected, this is the wireless. Apple CarPlay will connect to your phone wirelessly, so you won't need to use any cables to use for connecting the device. To get back to OEM screen, you just hit car info here and you will get back to the OEM screen. Now you can see this is a very high resolution screen, which you do not lose any resolution or contrast from your original screen display. The screen is actually brighter and better than your original screen that the vehicle came with. You have full Android support, so you can download apps, connect to the internet, Wi-Fi, and you have the availability of adding a dash mounted OEM dash camera that looks just like the original bracket in your vehicle. So it will record automatically once you get into the vehicle and you start driving. So you don't have to worry about anything. In case of any incidents, you will have all your information stored on the supplied SD card that is built onto the unit. Now we'll show you backup camera, where you get dynamic guidelines, so the lines will turn with the steering wheel. If your vehicle is equipped with parking sensors, that will also be displayed on the screen. Let me show you the OEM handle camera. This is our universal lip mount camera, but you can install an OEM camera on the back of the car. So once installed, the camera does look like factory, so you will not lose any of your aesthetic looks to the vehicle. And thank you everyone. This is 4x4 Shop Canada with the installation of our touchscreen infotainment system in a 2016 BMW M4.